Hey there, friend. Let me take you through the nitty-gritty of accessing user data in Microsoft Graph within Azure, which is quite the game-changer for productivity and security, wouldn't you say? Imagine we are chilling and I tell you about this super tool called Microsoft Graph. It's like a superhighway connecting all the Microsoft cloud services together. We've got everything from Outlook to OneDrive, and even Teams hanging out in the center. The cool part is with just one simple endpoint, https://graph.microsoft.com, you can access all this data, streamlining your operations and data management like never before. Now, from a business standpoint, this is a goldmine. We are talking about a more integrated IT environment, making sure our teams have the data they need at their fingertips, no more endless searches, no more data silos. It's streamlining workflow, bringing everyone under one roof, and increasing efficiency like it's going out of style. Alright, picture this. You are a senior cloud architect. You are playing with this powerful API, making sure enterprises get all the data they need, all in real time, with strategic configurations. We are not just talking about a couple of scattered tools, it's the Microsoft Graph, all in one place. Let's get to the meat of it. I want to share a strategic, deep dive into why this is such a big deal, the architecture, the setup, and the troubleshooting and best practices, all the details anyone looking to get on board Azure would need to know. First things first, our journey begins with setting up service principals and registering applications via Azure Active Directory. I'll walk you through the setup, explain some key permissions you'll need, and demonstrate the flow with some sample code. Next up, we talk about securing the integration and ensuring data protection because, hey, this stuff is sensitive. This section includes configuring advanced audit logs because you gotta know what's happening with your data, where it's being accessed, by whom, and when changes are made. Then, we get into the technical architecture of Microsoft Graph. It's built on REST. But don't worry, I'll keep it simple and focused on Azure, showing you how to navigate through the different service connections. You'll see how simple it is to set everything up and how seamless it is when retrieving data. We'll explore some advanced topics like filtering data, querying with complex operations, and working with the beta features in Microsoft Graph that can really help you get ahead if used wisely. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So we'll dive into troubleshooting common issues, to making sure your enterprise has continuity of operation. Don't forget about performance. Because if you are retrieving huge amounts of data, you need to do it efficiently and without a hitch. That's where I drop some performance tuning secrets on you, the low-hanging fruit that can make a massive difference in your data access strategy. Now before we wrap up, I'll quickly touch upon the importance of scalability. User data grows with your company, right? And with Microsoft Graph, scaling out or scaling up, you are setting yourself up for success, no bottlenecks, just smooth data access. And yeah, let's not forget best practices. It's not just about the end but how you get there. Following best practices will ensure you maintain your data hygiene, keep your users safe, and keep your systems optimized. So, that's the journey, the strategic importance, technical architecture, setup walkthrough, troubleshooting, best practices, and so much more. And here's something really cool. I'm a senior cloud architect after all, and I'll be sharing my insights that come from working with major customers on enterprise-grade deployments of Microsoft Graph. Now let's not keep this under wraps forever. I want you to visit neeraj.qzz.io, where TechLab lives. You can subscribe, keep up to date with what I'm cooking up, and join a community where we share, discuss, and learn together about cloud, Azure, and making the most out of tools like Microsoft Graph. It's all about enhancing enterprises like yours, keeping up with the latest strategies and implementations that can really elevate your IT game. So, stay connected and keep your channels open, and hey, who knows? One day soon, you might be part of that community sharing your own insights and experiences, because that's the power of knowledge shared. Friend waving hand sign. Stay safe, stay tech savvy, and don't forget to visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. We're here for it. Until next time, keep riding the wave of tech innovation.